This is Donald Trump. Remember, the buck starts here. And you're... This is Donald Trump. Remember, the buck starts here. And your phone is ringing, so pick it up already. It could be the start of something really big. This is Donald Trump telling you to think big and live large. And also, answer your phone while you're at it. Let me do that a little different. This is Donald Trump telling you to think big. This is Donald Trump telling you to think big and live large. And answer your phone while you're at it. I left the word "to" out. Is that okay? Let me do that, just that last part again. Just that last part. And answer your phone while you're at it. Okay, I like that little. Okay, ready? This is Donald Trump telling you to have an ego. All of the successful people I know have big egos. There's nothing wrong with ego. And you should also answer your phone. There's nothing wrong with that either. In fact, you better do it fast before they hang up. Leave it. I like the added, I added that sentence.
Yeah.
You like that? Is that fine?
Yeah, absolutely.
Little something. Keeps us excited. Ready? This is Donald Trump. You really think you're a good leader? I don't. Otherwise, you would have answered your phone already. Okay. Got it? You like that?
Yeah.
Okay. You let me know if you don't. I'll
Sure.
Actually, very easy to work with. Ask Mark Burnett. Ready? This is Donald Trump. Time is money. Pick up your phone. This is Donald Trump. Time is money. Pick up your phone. I'm Donald Trump, and this is the call of a lifetime. Now let me do that. I'm Donald Trump, and this is the call of a lifetime. I'm Donald Trump, reminding you that timing is everything, absolutely everything. So go ahead, pick up your phone, it's ringing. Yeah, go ahead, sure. Whatever you want.
Yeah,
All right, put it back then. I'll do it straight.
No, I just want to get the time thing in. If you wanted the time to pick up your phone, timing. So,
What?
Timing is everything. Time to pick up your phone.
Oh, ready. I'm Donald Trump. I'm Donald Trump reminding. Whoops. I'm Donald Trump reminding you that timing is everything, and it's time for you to pick up your phone. Ready? While you're at it.
All right, we're 2/3 of the way through.
Good.
What I want to get is just some
Am I Kathy? Yeah.
You're doing great.
So we want to just get stuff that you're comfortable doing.
Go ahead.
So we have edit
Just
points.
give it to me real fast.
So we want to get some posturing in a wide shot and just of you, arms folded to each camera.
Yep.
Yeah.
You don't see the cord, right? You see a monitor?
The monitor's right here. Would you like to see it?
Yeah, let me just.
See it.
That looks good. Okay. I got
Okay,
it.
Mr. Trump?
Got it.
Good.
Tell me what you want. Go ahead, real
Alright,
fast.
So
Go.
what we do, just arms folded, sort of like a,
Do you want me to say something? Or?
no, just sort of, just do, give them looks to the camera.
Okay, I got it. Which camera?
Let's do both of them. Just, you can
Okay,
look at one.
I got it.
Yeah. Great. And now if we can just do like a point to each camera,
Ready?
like a.
You want me to do like, you're fired? Ready? You're fired. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
You're fired. Probably can't use that, but
Yeah,
that's.
we're not using that. Your employment is terminated. Now, can we do like, can you,
How about your phone is terminated?
if you're.
Huh?
Let's do it. Let's do that.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do that.
Your phone is terminated. Your phone is terminated. Your phone is terminated. Okay.
Great. Now, sort of posturing, can we get you to turn around? Are you comfortable going,
Which way?
From like, or even a little further with your back towards camera, just to turn around? I don't know how much we'd use it.
Like this?
Is that okay? Yeah, and then just sort of turning around to the
I
camera.
got it. Ready? Tell me when.
Go ahead, when you're ready.
Okay.
Perfect. And then I just wanted to get a smile, like just
Yeah.
random motion, so like just a coy smile.
Ready?
Yep. And then can we get like a mean face, just like
Yeah, ready?
Let's go. And then one more, actually two more. One, like a pensive, is that something you're? And almost like not like you get like, just like, I got what value you're trying to do. Great. I don't know if we'd ever use this for the wide shot, but are you comfortable doing a golf swing, almost like Carson?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. See what it fits. We just get one where you sort of look towards the shot.
Okay.
You know? Is that all within the thing? Okay, great. So we're gonna move on. We got a few more of these.
Okay, let's go.
Number 3. Yeah, we're good.
Is that it? Is that the last batch?
Let's do. Yeah, we got 10 and 10, and they're shorter. Can we get another sync real quick? Yeah.
Another what?
Sync. You got it?
Okay, you okay?
This is A and B marker, and mark.
Just like through these.
Ready?
Absolutely.
This is Donald Trump. Let's make this call quick and to the point.